This video walks you through how to access past tax returns on TurboTax. Begin by opening TurboTax and signing in to your Intuit account. Enter your account details and wait for the main dashboard to load. Make sure you are in the correct account before moving on, especially if you have used more than one login in the past. Your saved tax documents will only appear under the account where the returns were originally filed or stored. Once you are signed in, look to the left side of the screen for the navigation menu. In that menu, click Documents. This opens the area where TurboTax stores tax returns and other related files connected to your account. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the document list and menu options are fully visible before continuing. At the top of the Documents page, find the View Documents from drop-down menu. Click that menu to see the available tax years linked to your account. Choose the year you want to access. This filters the document list, so you are only viewing files from that selected year. If you are looking for a return from a specific filing season, this is the key step that narrows the results. After selecting the tax year, browse the list of available documents on the page. Look through the file names until you find your tax return or any other tax-related document you need. Depending on what is stored in your account, you may see multiple files for the same year, so take a moment to confirm that you are selecting the correct return before opening or downloading anything. When you locate the return, decide whether you want to save a copy to your device or view it directly in TurboTax. To download it, click the download icon next to the tax return. This saves a copy that you can keep for your records. If you prefer to open the file inside TurboTax instead, click the document name. That will display the return within the platform where you can review it without downloading it first. If you need to check a different year, go back to the View Documents from menu and select another tax year. The document list will update again based on the year you choose. You can repeat the same process as many times as needed to move between years and access older returns or related files stored in your account. By following these steps, you can move from year to year, open the return you need, and download a copy when necessary without leaving the Documents section. Your past TurboTax tax returns are now accessible for viewing or download by tax year.